Learn Hindi relationship words. Relationship to.
सुलह,
Welcome to the drama club. Hey, you're about to learn Hindi through a tiny soap opera with big feelings and even bigger vocabulary. Do not worry, this drama is cheaper than therapy and better for your pronunciation. Today's stars are 8 powerful words. Relationship is.
संबंध,
Friendship is.
मित्रता,
Partnership is.
साझेदारी,
Conflict is.
संघर्ष,
Trust is.
विश्वास,
Jealousy is.
ईर्ष्या,
Separation is.
अलगाव,
And reconciliation is.
सुलह,
Say them with me once, slowly, like you are announcing awards at a very emotional family wedding. A very complicated chai story. Listen to this short story and enjoy the chaos. Your job is simple. Notice the Hindi words and let them stick. Ravi and Meera had a strong.
संबंध,
It started as.
मित्रता,
In college, when they shared notes, snacks, and dramatic opinions about bad cafeteria samosas. Later, they opened a tiny tea shop in.
साझेदारी,
Ravi made chai, Meera handled money, and both pretended to understand accounting. For a while, everything worked because there was.
विश्वास,
Then came trouble. A food blogger praised Meera as the genius behind the shop, and Ravi felt a pinch of.
ईर्ष्या,
That silly feeling grew into.
संघर्ष,
They argued over tea, sugar, customers, chairs, and probably oxygen. Soon there was.
अलगाव,
Meera sat on one side of the shop, Ravi on the other, and even the kettle seemed uncomfortable. Finally, an old customer said, "Your chai tastes best when you stop behaving like angry goats." They laughed, talked honestly, rebuilt.
विश्वास,
And made.
सुलह,
The tea improved. Humanity survived. Quick meaning drill. Now let's make the words clearer and sharper in your mind. Short, direct, and zero boring lectures. A.
संबंध,
Is a relationship, any meaningful connection between people.
मित्रता,
Means friendship, the warm bond between friends.
साझेदारी,
Means partnership, when people work or build something together.
संघर्ष,
Means conflict, struggle, or clash.
विश्वास,
Means trust, the feeling that someone is reliable.
ईर्ष्या,
Means jealousy, that green little monster that hates other people's success.
अलगाव,
Means separation, emotional or physical distance.
सुलह,
Means reconciliation, peace after conflict. Say it in real life. Here are useful spoken lines you can actually imagine hearing. Repeat the Hindi parts aloud if you want extra practice. There.
संबंध,
Grew stronger over time. True.
मित्रता,
Is precious. This business is a.
साझेदारी,
There is.
संघर्ष,
In the office today. Without.
विश्वास,
No team can survive.
ईर्ष्या,
Can damage.
मित्रता,
After years of.
अलगाव,
They met again. At the end, both families chose.
सुलह,
Mini dialogue at the tea shop. Time for a little scene. Imagine dramatic background music and one ceiling fan turning very slowly. A. How is your.
संबंध,
With Meera now? B. Better. First we had.
मित्रता,
Then.
साझेदारी,
Then way too much.
संघर्ष,
A. What caused it? B. A little.
ईर्ष्या,
A little ego and a lot of terrible communication. A. Ouch. Did you lose?
विश्वास,
B. For a while, yes. There was real.
अलगाव,
A. And now? B. Now we talked, laughed, drank chai, and made.
सुलह,
A. So the happy ending came with snacks? B. Obviously. Peace is easier with biscuits. Memory tricks with a smile. Let's glue these words into your brain with funny images. Slightly weird images work best, so please welcome the chaos. Picture 2 socks holding hands in a serious.
संबंध,
Imagine 2 magnets becoming best friends and calling it.
मित्रता,
See 2 goats opening a bakery in.
साझेदारी,
Watch 2 cats fight over 1 samosa in glorious.
संघर्ष,
Imagine a talking lock that opens only with.
विश्वास,
See a jealous tomato turning green with.
ईर्ष्या,
Because the cucumber got compliments. Picture two lonely socks separated by the washing machine. Tragic.
अलगाव,
Now imagine those socks reunited, forgiving the laundry and making.
सुलह,
Fast quiz time. You are up. Answer in your head, out loud, or with the confidence of someone who definitely understands dramatic tea shop politics. What is the Hindi word for relationship?
संबंध,
What is the Hindi word for friendship?
मित्रता,
What is the Hindi word for partnership?
साझेदारी,
What is the Hindi word for conflict?
संघर्ष,
What is the Hindi word for trust?
विश्वास,
What is the Hindi word for jealousy?
ईर्ष्या,
What is the Hindi word for separation?
अलगाव,
What is the Hindi word for reconciliation?
सुलह,
Your tiny speaking challenge. Now try combining words like a real speaker. Keep it simple and brave. Perfection can wait outside. Say, trust is important in every relationship. In Hindi key words.
विश्वास,
And.
संबंध,
Say, friendship became a business partnership. Use.
मित्रता,
And.
साझेदारी,
Say, jealousy created conflict. Use.
ईर्ष्या,
And.
संघर्ष,
Say, after separation, they chose reconciliation. Use.
अलगाव,
And.
सुलह,
Wrap up and keep going. Nice work, you made it through emotions, arguments, and at least one imaginary samosa war. That is real progress. Today you practiced.
संबंध, मित्रता, साझेदारी, संघर्ष, विश्वास, ईर्ष्या, अलगाव,
And.
सुलह.
Thanks for listening. Keep practicing, repeat the words tomorrow, and use them in your own little stories. You are doing great, and your Hindi is getting stronger one word at a time.